Okay, this is Ed. Still working on Victoria's ring. And I'm about ready to solder this. I want to put a little flux on both ends. Then get them to be in line where the two ends meet, and they'll come up against each other because I gave it a little tension. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. I can use solder paste, or I can use another medium flow. There we go. I think I got a little piece in there. Put a little piece of solder down. Can't see it, I know. Move this out of the way. Let me see if I can get it closer. The little solder piece is right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my piece so that it straddles right over the solder piece where the solder joint is to be. I can see the joint where the two wires come together, and where that is, that solder piece is sitting right underneath it and teeter-tottering it, so I can then heat it up, low flame, don't need a lot. Careful with the tongs. The neat thing about it is that you got two types of metal in there. One is silver and one is gold. So when we shape it and finish it and put it on there, as you polish it, that gold and silver will pop out and give a little contrast around. And since I'm using a gold bezel, the gold bezel is just going to complement the whole thing and make the crown that's holding the stone look very rich, and because it's got gold in it.